Okay, so I'm gonna warn you now. Warn you now, brother. You don't give me your ID or your full name, I'm going to arrest you for failure to ID.
Okay, so
because I'm investigating, brother. That's all I'm doing.
Okay.
No. Put your hands on the car. You already failed to identify yourself. Okay. Give me your right arm. You want to play games, brother. I'm here being nice, and you don't want to give me your name and date of birth.
Welcome to BodycamX, where we discuss the rights and the wrongs of police encounters. Our spotlight today features a video from a channel named Joel Martinez. Don't forget to check out their work and give proper credit where it's due. A man is handcuffed, searched, and arrested without committing a single crime. This El Paso County deputy had no clue what the law actually says, and it's all caught on Bodycam. Mr. Martinez was standing outside a junkyard, waiting for help with his locked car, when deputies from the El Paso County Sheriff's Office rolled up, claiming they got a call about suspicious activity. What started as a vague tip turned into a full-blown detention, a baseless search, and an unlawful arrest, all without a single crime being committed. In this video, we'll break down every legal violation, examine the deputy's failure to follow the law, and explain exactly why Mr. Martinez's Fourth Amendment rights were trampled.
Hello. Buenas noches. José Méndez, mucho gusto.
¿Cómo está?
Bien, how you doing, brother?
Doing good.
All right.
Yeah.
¿Tienen problemas con el carro?
Oh, no, se me había quedado afuera y luego se me perdieron las llaves allá adentro, en el junket.
Okay, say that again.
I lost the keys in the junkyard over there.
Okay.
So I called them to come and get the...
To come open the gate or what?
Huh?
To come open the gate?
No, the key. The car. The car is the one that lost the keys. I lost the keys to the car.
Oh, like you went into the property and you dropped the keys?
Yeah. I was in there doing, like regular junkyard stuff, looking for my parts. When I was leaving is when I found out I didn't have my keys. They let me go in, look for them all over the 30 acres of cars they have.
Okay.
Didn't find them, so they just grabbed the tractor and moved the car outside so I could call them locksmiths.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's weird, because we got a call with a gentleman with your description. That's why, on the property. Were you the only one on there?
Yeah, he just got here. I don't want to give any identifying information. I'll just give you my first name, Joel.
Well, I need your info, man, because I'm talking to you, brother, because you're the person that they called on. So, Martinez, first name?
Nah, it's chill.
What's that?
It's just like that. I'm not gonna give my information right now.
Okay, why not?
Just?
Okay. Now here's the thing, brother. I'm gonna be honest with you, Mr. Martinez.
Yeah.
Now, me asking you for your information is nothing illegal.
Oh, it's not.
I'm just asking you because you're the person they called on. I need to find out who you are, and you're telling me one thing, so I gotta call the property manager and ask them if they were the ones that allowed you on the property.
Yeah, that's the investigation, right?
Yeah. So I need your name, brother.
Well, I gave you my last name, and you could just call the property man. And
do you have an ID?
I do.
You mind if I see it?
I do.
Okay, why is that, brother? Because I don't want to be difficult, man.
No, I'm not trying to be difficult either.
As long as I'm cooperative with you, you're cooperative with me, man.
Oh, yeah, well...
This goes a lot smoother for both of us.
Okay, we'll leave it like this and we can call it choose. I'll give you my last name and that's about it, because at the end of the day, I'm not legally provided to give you the full name. I'll just leave it at the last name, bro.
Okay, so I'm going to warn you now. Warn you now, brother. You don't give me your ID or your full name, I'm going to arrest you for failure to ID.
Okay, so...
Because I'm investigating, brother. That's all I'm doing.
Okay. It's fine like that. Okay, I'll give you my name after what I say this.
Okay. All I need is your name and date of birth, bro. That's it.
I'm not asking you.
I'm not.
And I'm a law student here too, so
perfect. I'm not asking you for a blood sample. I'm not asking for your DNA. All I'm asking.
That's a CSUM identification.
Okay, correct. So I'm on an investigation.
Calls are not reasonable, articulable suspicion to suspect me of a crime under Florida versus JL under the Supreme Court.
But I'm not here to argue with you.
Yeah, I'm not here to argue. I'm here to defend my rights.
So I'm asking for your name. Okay, that has nothing to do with me because I don't know you.
It doesn't. I don't know you either, officer. Okay. I thought you were a chill officer when you go down like, hey, I'm my hands, whatever. They're like, hey, okay, he'll respect my rights. I'll just give my last name.
You're the one making this difficult. All I'm asking for is your name.
It's really not difficult. And it's not impeding your investigation because it's not a physical, or it doesn't. Giving you my ID doesn't help you out.
You're in law school, right? You're a law student. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you got to understand, sir. I'm investigating. Okay, you match the description of the gentleman that was in the yard. Okay. Yeah. So that's the only reason
I
why
was
I'm
in
asking
the yard.
Yes, they said that you were in the yard.
Yeah, that said you were in the yard.
No. Put your hands on the car. You already failed to identify yourself. Okay. Give me your right arm. You want to play games, brother. I'm here being nice, and you don't want to give me your name and date of birth, and then all this just for a car, bro. That's it. Okay, bueno pues, ahí estamos. I'm gonna read your Miranda. Thank you, sir.
Car so we can impound it.
Yeah, it says he just purchased it. All right. Come on, bro.
Okay. You come? Hold on.
All right, stand right there.
Give me a second.
No, you're staying right there because you're going in my unit. You're under arrest.
Oiga, señor. Oiga, señor, ¿puede pagar mi teléfono, por favor? ¿Puede pagar mi teléfono, por favor? Está allí en la ventana de enfrente, por favor. ¿La puede pagar? Mi teléfono, digo que señora.
All right, go ahead and take a second there.
First time on the back of the car.
Man, you see you're a law student, bro. ¿Qué pues?
And you
All you had to do was give me your name and date of birth.
You'll see when we get to the station. You'll see when you get to the station.
All right, Mr. Martinez, before we go to the station, I'm going to read your rights, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. You cannot afford an attorney. One will be provided to you. If you decide to answer questions now without any attorney present, okay, you will have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to an attorney. Do you understand the rights I've just read to you? With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
No, I don't answer questions.
Okay, perfect.
Alright, sir. So I'm the supervisor here. I was just made aware of what happened.
Yeah.
So I don't think it qualifies for any crime, okay?
It doesn't qualify for a crime?
I'm gonna go ahead and release it.
Of course. I want that officer's dash number.
Yeah,
This
I
is
will.
unacceptable. Oh my god, I'm so fucking pissed right now.
Let me finish talking. Okay?
What's your badge number?
Mine?
Yeah, or your name?
Sergeant Procopio,
Procopio?
5701. I'll give you a kiss.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna get all cameras, dash cam, body cam, phone calls, everything. It did not constitute a crime. Look what he did.
Let's go talk over here.
Oh,
So the lights working.
my belongings.
Let me go get it. Like I said, I just got here.
Yeah.
And I was just briefed with the incident. So I'm trying to get all the facts of what happened.
Yeah.
So based on what he told me, like I said, I was constitute the failed ID crime.
That's
But
right.
let me get it for you.
Oh,
Let me go talk to the deputy first.
can you get him here? Just so you can educate him and so it doesn't happen
And
again.
that's why I want to get with you. But I want to ask him some questions first.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah. Lock my phone. And my wallet and my AirPods.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Yeah.
Let me just be with you.
What about my car? I was like, well, I don't know. Like, so the owner or one of the employees gave me 3 choices. Like, okay, choice 1, you can leave it here. It's all secure. We have sensors, cameras, and whatever. If anything, well, and you'll come back tomorrow and look for your keys, or get a locksmith to make you a key, or we could get a tractor or one of the forklifts to move your car right outside. And like, if you can move my car right outside, so I could call the locksmith, it would be fine. Locksmith got there, and during this whole time I was just waiting outside, right? The locksmith got there, and he was like, we did everything right, and then I just see a patrol, and like, whatever. I get down and it's like, hey, like, oh, we got a call, and that you were inside the property, that you were looking at, or what, he said that you were inside the property, and then like, okay, and then we take a day, and then they say, okay, what's your name? He's like, what's your last name? Martinez. And he's like, okay, what's your first name? We're like, oh, I'm not gonna give it right now. He's like, okay. He's like, why not? He's like, I'm trying to be, I'll give you my name, whatever. He tells me, like, you know? And they're like, okay, but I'm not gonna give you my name because I'm not legally required to give it to you right now. Yes, Mr. Martinez. So, have anything to say to me? No? You said, you laughed at me? Said that I was a dumb law student? Did I or did I not?
Okay.
Did you or did you not?
Did I not?
Did you say that I was a dumb law student?
No, I didn't say where you learned law, sir.
No, sir. You got me into the cruiser. It's on your Bodycam too. It's on my phone too. We got into the cruiser, and you said like, you're a really dumb law. When we were getting down here in station 2, you're a really dumb law student, aren't you? You get me into the thing, and you start making fun. Oh, everybody look at him. He's a law student. He's a law student. You left me in there with the cuffs on. And I told you, didn't I tell you that what you were doing was unlawful? Did you believe me?
No, it's not that I didn't believe you.
Okay.
I
Did you get the supervisor when I asked you to? No, you said I didn't need one.
No, I never said I didn't.
It's on your body camera, it's on my phone.
Yes,
Don't
you
lie.
asked for a supervisor, well, what did I tell you?
You said you don't need one. Turn around and put your hands behind your
No, I
back.
told you we're not going to get one until we get to this.
This entire encounter shows just how dangerous it is when officers don't know the law they're sworn to enforce. Mr. Martinez was illegally detained, searched, and arrested without probable cause and without committing a crime. While the supervisor eventually admitted fault and released him, the damage had already been done. The deputies involved showed no understanding of Texas law, no respect for constitutional rights, and no accountability. Mr. Martinez stood his ground and knew enough to challenge what was happening, and for that, he gets serious credit. Encounters like this remind us all, know your rights, use your voice, and never back down from unlawful authority. Thank you for watching. Help us continue exposing the truth. Like, share, and subscribe to BodycamX.